Most people who make AI films run into the same problem. The character looks different in every shot. Different face, different expression, different everything, and it ruins the whole film. The usual fixes don't really help either. Text prompts interpret the character differently every time. Reference images are tricky because the AI also picks up the lighting, colors, and lens from them. And uploading 4 or 5 reference images every single generation gets annoying really fast. But there's actually a way to fix all of this now. And once you set it up, your character stays consistent across every single generation. Check this out.
Don't, please.
Shh. Hey, it's okay. You need to come with me, now.
No. Stay back, please.
If you stay here, you won't make it. I'm not leaving you.
The characters you just saw were built using Soulcast on Higgsfield, and all the cinematic video was generated in Cinema Studio 2.5. I've been using it for a while now, and honestly, it changed the way I make AI films. Today, I'll show you exactly how it works. Let's get into it. Go to Higgsfield, open Cinema Studio 2.5, and click Cast. Creating your character here is a bit different from just uploading a reference image. Instead of only defining how the character looks, you also give them a full profile. That actually helps Cinema Studio generate more naturally, because the model understands the character beyond just the face. Start by choosing your genre. There is a wide variety of genres you can choose from. I'm going with war, then move to budget. There is a wide range of budget options available, from 10 million to 500 million. I'm choosing 300 million. Next, move to era. You can choose anywhere from the 90s to the 2020s. I'm going with 2000. Now, move to archetype. It is a common, recognizable type of character or role that shows up repeatedly in stories. There are several types to choose from, and I'm picking hero. Next is identity, where you choose the gender, race, and age of your character. I'm going with male, white, and 25 years old. Now move to physical appearance. Here you can choose your character's build. Options like thin, muscular, athletic, and more. I'm choosing muscular. Then choose height. Short, very short, average, tall, and so on. I'm going with average. After that, choose eye color. There's a wide range of colors, and you can also customize it. I'm choosing brown. Move on to hairstyle. I'm selecting medium. There are other styles available too, though most of the longer options lean toward women's hairstyles. You can also choose hair texture. There are 4 options: straight, wavy, curly, and coily. I'm going with wavy, then choose hair color. There's a wide variety, and you can customize it too. I'm choosing black. Next is facial hair. There are 6 options. I'm picking short beard, then move to the details section where you can add things like facial scars, an eye patch, tattoos, or freckles. You can also add custom details. Since this character is a soldier in active duty, I'm choosing face scar. Finally, move to outfit. Higgsfield provides a few preset outfits, and there's also a custom option where you can write a prompt to build your own. I'm choosing military outfit. Then click Generate. Soulcast will give you a few character options. I went through them and picked the one that fits best. The character will have every detail you chose and should look exactly the way you imagined. Soulcast builds a full character sheet that shows your character from every angle, front, side, and back. So image and video generators never have to guess about features they haven't seen. That's what keeps the character from morphing or changing between shots. There's one more feature that makes Soulcast stand out. You can buy exclusive rights to your character, so no one else on the platform can use them. That matters a lot if you're building a series or working on something long-term. Now, let's create a second character. Click Cast, then click Build Cast. There is a wide variety of genres to choose from. I'm going with drama. For the budget, I'm choosing 150 million. Era, I'm picking 2020. Archetype, I'm selecting innocent. For identity, I'm choosing female, mixed race, and keeping the age at default. Build, I'm going with slim. Height, short. Eye color, brown. Hairstyle, ponytail. Hair color, black. For details, I'm adding freckles. Outfit, casual. Then click Generate. I went through the results and chose the one that looks perfect. The freckles are natural, the mixed race features come through clearly, and she honestly looks like a real person. Once your characters are ready, you don't need to upload images or write long descriptions anymore. Just click Save, then type at character_name directly in your prompt. You can also use multiple characters in the same generation. Just mention both with @ and Higgsfield handles them together in one shot. All your characters get saved to your library, so everything stays in one place. And because your character stays consistent across every video generation, you can stitch multiple clips together in a video editor and build a longer scene that actually feels continuous. Now, let's test the consistency. I tested both characters through 3 image prompts in Cinema Studio, each in a completely different scene and mood. For the first one, I did a close-up of the soldier hiding behind cover. Select aspect ratio 16:9, set the resolution to 2K, and click Generate. The face stays sharp, the expression is clean, and the lighting matches the scene perfectly. For the second one, I used a cinematic scene of the soldier against a broken wall. The child beside him both exhausted and silent, soft sunlight cutting through dust, muted colors, film grain. Here's something useful. Click the emoji next to the character's name and assign a specific emotion or mood before generating. Instead of just describing the feeling in the prompt, you're telling the model directly how the character should look. The result keeps the soldier's face consistent, even with a completely different environment and mood. For the third one, use the soldier and the kid sitting in a diner eating and having fun. Same thing, click the emoji, set the emotion, and generate. Completely different scene and energy, but the character still looks exactly the same. Now let's move to the video test. First, let's try out MultiShot Auto to build a 4-shot action sequence. I wrote a prompt that describes the soldier getting up from cover and running toward a damaged building, stepping carefully inside, scanning the room through the debris, and finally spotting the girl hiding in a corner. Mention both characters in the prompt. Upload the first frame. Set camera movement to handheld, duration to 12 seconds, quality to 1080p, and genre to action. Then click Generate. Take a look.
Don't, please.
The characters stayed consistent across all 4 shots without a single reference image. Then let's do MultiShot Manual, which gives you full control over each shot. In this mode, you can write a separate prompt for every shot, assign emotions, and control the timing individually. I upload the last frame from the previous video as the reference image, so the scene picks up exactly where it left off. For the first shot, the soldier lowers his weapon slightly and gestures for the girl to come with him. Tag the soldier, click the emoji, and set his emotion to calm and focused. Set the duration to 3 seconds. Dialogue. Hey, it's okay. You need to come with me now.
Hey, it's okay. You need to come with me now.
For the second shot, a close-up of the girl shaking her head and backing away, scared and unsure. Tag the girl. Set her emotion to extreme fear and panic, and set the duration to 3 seconds. Dialogue. No, stay back, please.
No. Stay back, please.
For the third shot, a close-up of the soldier's face, conflicted, with distant gunfire echoing behind him. Tag the soldier. Set the emotion to tense and uncertain, and set the duration to 3 seconds. Dialogue. If you stay here, you won't make it.
If you stay here, you won't make it.
For the fourth shot, a wide shot of the soldier pausing, then choosing to stay, softening his posture slightly. Tag the soldier, set the emotion to sincere and quiet, and set the duration to 3 seconds. Dialogue. I'm not leaving you, and click Generate.
I'm not leaving you.
The expressions are on point, both characters stay consistent through every shot, and the movements look completely natural. Finally, combine both Cinema Studio video generations in a video editor like CapCut to create a continuous cinematic animation. Because the character is consistent in both clips, the editing makes it feel like one smooth, uninterrupted scene.
Hey, it's okay. You need to come with me now.
No. Stay back, please.
If you stay here, you won't make it. I'm not leaving you.
All right, that's it for this one. Soulcast basically gives your AI film a real actor. Same face, same feel, every single shot. If you want to try it yourself, the Higgsfield link is in the description below.